There's a game going on, the gold manipulation game. You've probably heard it already. Money in the bank will vanish, but gold will save you. This message has been spread so powerfully that people all over the world started believing it. Fear took over. They pulled their money from banks and ran to buy gold. The result? Banks fell into crisis. Gold prices skyrocketed, and the real masters, the giants behind the global economy, smiled quietly. Why? Because they know, when everyone buys, that's the best time to sell. Then begins the second act. Everyone owns gold, but inflation rises. You can't buy food, medicine, or basic services with gold. Everyone will want to sell, and that's when the old formula kicks in. Supply equals demand equals collapse. The gold you bought for $2,000 might sell for $1,500 or even less. You'll wonder, how did this happen? The answer is simple. You were part of the game, not the gamer. It's a perfectly designed trap, targeting the middle class, the people who save for the future. Slowly, they'll lose everything and return to financial slavery. Buying gold stops the economy because that money goes to sleep underground. It stops moving, stops creating. The economy starts suffocating. The real power lies in trusting banks again, in letting money circulate, in investment, innovation, and creation. Stored wealth is not real wealth. Moving wealth is power. Now it's time for women to rise too. The same way you can reject love when it's fake, reject gold when it's a trap, because this very gold might one day take everything from you. According to world economists, gold prices may drop 30 to 40% in the next year. Search it on Google if you want proof. So the final question is, will you play the game or remain a character inside it?